Hello, second grade friends, and welcome to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we are working with our calendar collector 5 minutes a day. For 5 minutes a day, we will continue to roll for minutes. Now, last time we rolled for minutes, we ended up collecting 2 more groups of 5 minutes to equal 10 minutes. That moved our clock to 2:50. Now, on Tuesday, I rolled our dice again to collect 4 more groups of 5 minutes. How many minutes are in 4 groups of 5 minutes? If you look at our record sheet, you can see that there are 20 minutes. Now, we need to change our time. We need to add 20 minutes to 2:50. I added 2 groups of 5 minutes on this clock. Is that all of our minutes? No. We need to add 2 more groups of 5 minutes to our next clock. I moved them down here. What time should our clock read now? Let's have a look at our Big Judy clock. If I need to add 4 groups of 5 minutes to our time of 2:50, where will my minute hand land? Let's count our 4 groups of 5 and see where it lands. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 5 minutes. Now, what time does our clock read? Let's go back and look. Let's move our minute hand back to our time of 2:50. We know it's 2:50 because our minute hand is almost to the 3. Our hour hand is almost to the 3, but not quite there. And our minute hand is on the 10 for 10 groups of 5. Let's count our minutes starting at 50 minutes in groups of 5. Count with me. 50, 55, 60. Now we've collected 60 minutes. What happens when we get back to the 12? If you said we start a new hour, you're correct. How do we know we're starting a new hour? The hour hand is now pointing at the 3, and the minute hand is back at the 12. So now our clock reads 3 o'clock, but we still need 2 more groups of 5. We start back again at 0. So we have 0, 5, 10 minutes. Now we know our clock reads 3:10. Let's write that on our record sheet. Our clock reads 3:10. We are in a new hour. Now let's collect our minutes for today. Let's roll our dice. 3 groups of 5 minutes. Let's write down right away that we need 3 groups of 5 minutes. Let's go to our Judy clock to count them. If we're starting at 3:10 with the minute hand on the 2, and we add 3 groups of 5, where will our minute hand land? Let's see. We need 1, 2, 3 groups of 5. We land on the 5. How many minutes did we travel? Let's count by 5s. Starting at 0, we'll count 5, 10, 15. 3 groups of 5 is 15 minutes. What time does our clock read? Let's go all the way back to the 12 and count our minutes by 5. We know it's 3 o'clock, so let's count by 5 starting at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25. Our clock reads 3:25. We'll write that in our new clock. Now we need to fill in 15 minutes. I'll do that quickly. You can take your time to fill this in. Let's look at what we need. Remember, you need your Number Corner student book, a pencil, and the same 2 different color crayons you used the other day. Our Rolling for Minutes record sheet is on page 17. It's your turn to fill in your record sheet to look like mine. When you're done, take a picture and show your teacher. I'll see you next time for Number Corner.